everyone, welcome to another Roblox game development tutorial. Today's tutorial, we're going to make gravity actually affect the AIs, the enemies. Now, of course, we don't have real gravity, but we have a makeshift version of it, and that's what we're going to be working on today. Let's go up to the Explorer here, Star GUI, 2D game window, enemies, script, and also go over player script. Now, the reason we're opening the player script is because we already have gravity implemented into the player script, so we might as well copy and paste some of our code and move it into the other script, changing a few things, of course. But there's no point in not doing this. Floor check, I believe, is floor check is the function that checks for gravity. Otherwise, down here we just keep falling and falling, I believe. Where is it? If not jumping, if on there it is. Okay. Now, oops. Now we're just going to add this in. Function floor check. Okay. Function floor check, it's the exact same thing. Only difference is we're going to replace player in here with AI. Okay? So we're going to add AI up here as a parameter since it needs to work for all of the AIs. And then we're just going to copy and paste it for every time we see player down here, because we don't want it checking with the player, we want it checking for the AI. So that's done. Good. Now down here, we're going to actually add the gravity in. On floor equals, or actually, hold on. Floor check equals floor check AI. On floor equals floor, I can't type today. Floor check 1, and I believe, what's the other one? We call it floor bottom Y. Floor bottom Y. Okay. No, wait, no, not floor bottom Y. No, floor Y. Sorry, floor Y. Floor Y equals floor check 2. If not on floor, then I think we have gravity we have Y-val. We have Y-val. We want to add Y-val to the enemies. So let's go to the enemy and add another number value. Name this number value Y-val. And keep it at 0 right now. Just go into the script. And what are we adding when they're falling? We're subtracting. Are we subtracting that here? Yeah, okay. We're subtracting this. So we're just going to do the same thing here. And we're going to go up here and we're going to make yval equal to ai.yval. Go down here and change it to .value. And then at the bottom here, we're going to add into this line, which is changing their position, and we're going to also add in negative yval.value. And it's not, okay, hold on. We need to make it a capital V here. Yval. Yval. There we go. Now it's all working. It should work fine. But we also need else yval.value equals 0. Now everything should work great for gravity because it's just copying and pasting. And yeah, you gotta change a few things around, but it still works just great. So we're going to test this here. And we are seeing an error. Let's go down to the output platforms. Okay. I already know what the error is probably going to be. Let's go up here. Plats equals script.parent.platforms get. I don't know what the problem is. Script dot. I know the problem. We need two parents. Go over here to explore script dot parent dot platforms. There is no platforms. It's script dot parent dot platforms. That's what we need. We need two platform or parents. And after we do that, we test again. We shouldn't get an error. Again, great job, Canary Paitja. Hopefully I got it right. How about you tell me in the comments if you're watching this? Is your username Canary Paitja? No? Really? Oh. Oh, and look at that. Gravity worked. He is correct. Now, there's still a bit of an issue here because he's going to fall through still. And that's the last thing we have to add with this part. If on floor and AI dot position equals AI dot position plus or actually equals udim2 dot new AI dot position dot scale or x dot scale 0 and then floor y 0, just like that. And now we are going to see it actually work as perfectly as we're going to get in this series, and we'll be done with gravity for today. And sadly, yeah, that means it's the last video for today. But we've got one tomorrow and two on Friday. Whoa. Ah, okay. I lied. We aren't done. We have to go here and also subtract AI.size.y.scale. I don't know how I forgot that. I did. It's not that big of a deal. It just needs a little bit longer for today for you guys to see my beautiful face. And for me to talk to you guys, because I have a ton of fun doing that. Alright, now we see it working. Of course, he's doing the whole jiggle thing. So, alright. I'm not going to test it again. I know it'll work. I know it. But I'm going to add in the same amount because it's not too noticeable necessarily, but it works. It gets the job done. So that's all I care about. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please hit the like or the dislike button corresponding to how you felt about this video, and I will catch you guys later.